Here is everybody's absolute favorite thing, a story problem. Here we go. May and Kara build computers from parts and sell them to make a profit. May can build a computer in 0.9 hours and Kara can build one in 1.2 hours. During a typical week, May and Kara spend a total of 15 hours building computers. One week, May builds twice as many computers and the two spend a total of 24 hours on their project. How many computers do May and Kara each make during a typical week? So we're going to set up a couple of equations with that information. We're going to let M represent May's time. We're going to let K represent Kara's time. And we know that May takes 0.9 hours. We know that Kara takes 1.2 hours. And when we add those two together, we get 15 hours. This is going to tell us how many computers they each make. From the second part of the story problem, they tell us that May makes twice as many as Kara, so 2 times May's stuff plus Kara's stuff is going to be the 24 hours from the second part of the story. We take those two equations and set them up using our elimination method that we've learned. Because the 1.2 is the same in both, we're going to use subtraction. So when we subtract these from each other, we get negative 0.9m equals negative 9, right? So we've eliminated Kara's stuff and we're just dealing with May's stuff. When we divide by negative 0.9 on both sides, we get m equals 10. Then we take our m equals 10 and we put it back into our original equation. So that gives us 0.9 times 10 plus 1.2k equals 15. So that's May building 10 computers plus Kara's time, which we don't know how many she made, equals 15. So 9 plus 1.2k equals 15. Subtract 9 from both sides. 1.2k equals 6. Divide by 1.2 on both sides, and we get that k is 5. So in a typical week, May is going to build 10 computers, and Kara is going to build 5 computers. Since they cannot sell part of the computer, it makes sense that they build whole computers. Therefore, 10 computers and 5 computers are viable solutions. Okay, and thinking about the second part of the equation where they said that May builds twice as many, 10 is twice as many as 5, so it makes sense that the number is double Kara's. What assumption was made about the rates at which May and Kara build computers? Why is this assumption made? Think about that in your own words. It's a kind of what do you think question, so there's no wrong answer except for writing nothing or writing about something that has nothing to do with the question, right? Don't tell me your favorite sport is basketball because that has nothing to do with the problem. So what assumption was made about the rates at which May and Kara build computers? Why is that assumption made? Write that down in your notes and have it ready to go for later.